Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. What is a credit report? This information provided by the CFPB. The information here is aimed for an audience that isn't familiar with credit. A credit report is a statement that has information about your credit activity and current credit situation, such as loan paying history and the status of your credit accounts. Most people have more than one credit report. Credit reporting companies, also known as credit bureaus or consumer reporting agencies, collect and store financial data about you that is submitted to them by creditors such as lenders, credit card companies, and other financial companies. Creditors are not required to report to every credit reporting company. Lenders use these reports to help them decide if they want to loan you money and at what interest rate they'll charge you. Lenders also use your credit report to determine whether you continue to meet the terms of an existing credit account. Other businesses might use your credit report to determine whether to offer you insurance, rent a house or an apartment, provide you with cable TV, internet, utility, or phone service. If you agree to let an employer look at your credit report, it may also be used to make employment decisions. I've reported on all this. What kind of information appears on a credit report? Credit reports often contain the following information: personal information, your name, and any names you may have used in the past in connection with a credit account, including nicknames, current and former addresses, birth date, social security number, phone numbers. Credit accounts, current and historical credit accounts, including the type of account, mortgage, installment, revolving, etc., the credit limit or amount, account balance, account payment history, the date the account was opened and closed, the name of the creditor, collection items, missed payments, loans sent to collections, information on overdue child support provided by a state or local child support agency or verified by any local, state, or federal government agency, public records, liens, foreclosures, bankruptcies, civil suits and judgments, and inquiries. Companies that have access to your credit report. Now, here's the argument. Every bit of data I just touched on is a place for a mistake. Somebody has to input all this information. It's a lot of data. All it takes is one error, and that could affect your credit one way or another. It could be your identity. It could be a social security number. It could be a birth date. It could be an address. It could be any number of hundreds and hundreds of data entry errors. So it's up to you, in order to stay on top of things here, to run a free credit check to make sure that there are no errors, and there's going to be errors. There's just no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's billions and billions of data on a daily basis. And so, again, it's the biggest weakness in this whole thing. And no, I despise these credit reporting companies, period. I just think they're horrific. I think they're invasive. And we have very little protection against them. There's nowhere in here where I could say, no, I absolutely 100% do not allow you to use my information. The terms of service that you agree to when you borrow money, when you get a credit card, when you have an account of any type and you owe money, well, these companies sell this information off to these reporting agencies, and subsequently, you have to jump through the hoops. Comment. Let me know what you think. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope to help. See you soon.